You understand English native speakers, but when it's your turn to speak, you freeze. Now imagine this. You read recipes every day, you watch cooking shows, you know all the steps, but when you step into the kitchen, you can't cook simple meal. Why? Because you never practice cooking. English works the same way. If you only study but never speak, your speaking muscle stays weak. Language is not just words in books. It's a tool for communication. Another reason this happens is social anxiety. Many learners feel nervous, afraid of making mistakes, or worried about being judged. So, whether it's because you don't practice speaking enough or because of social anxiety, the good news is you can overcome this. Here are some solutions that can help you. Practice speaking every day, even alone. Language is for communication, so you really need to practice. The more you practice, the better you will get, and you don't even need other people to start. You can practice alone. I used to practice in front of mirror, just speaking about anything that came to my mind. It really helped me improve my speaking skills and also build confidence. So start by speaking to yourself in the mirror or practice with friends, especially with people who speak English well. And if you have a fluent friend, that's even better. You can also practice by speaking to ChatGPT. Just say anything you want and then ask it to correct you. This way, you will know your mistakes right away and improve faster. One of the best ways to improve your speaking is to start thinking in English. Many learners translate in their heads, which makes speaking slower and harder. But when you think directly in English, your words come out smoother and more natural. So to practice this, try writing your thoughts in English, then read them out loud and repeat. This practice helps your brain get used to the language in a natural way. Soon you will notice that you're not translating anymore, you are just thinking and speaking directly in English. Also, listen to native speakers and practice shadowing. That means repeating exactly what they say. Shadowing is like training your mouth and ears at the same time. You are not just hearing the language, you are actually using it the way natives do. And the more you do it, the more your speech becomes smoother, your fluency improves, and your confidence grows. Another important step is to build confidence and work on your body language. If you want to speak English fluently and with confidence, especially if you struggle to talk in front of people, you need to focus on these skills. The best way to start is by learning. There are many podcasts and videos that teach body language and confidence, and I even made a video myself about how to be confident, where I explained everything in just 4 minutes. Communication begins before you even open your mouth. That's why it's important not only to focus on the words you say, but also on how you carry yourself, your body language, your posture, and your eye contact. Learning this is especially helpful for people who feel nervous, afraid of speaking, or who struggle with social anxiety. And the truth is, with practice, everything is possible. The more you practice confident body language, the easier speaking will become. We already talked about practicing on your own, but the next step is to take it into real situations. You can learn grammar, vocabulary, and even practice in front of the mirror, but nothing replaces using English in real life. When you practice in real time, your brain learns to react faster, and speaking becomes more natural. Start small, order food in English, ask for directions, or join an online group where people speak English. Even short conversations push you out of your comfort zone and build confidence. I always say this in my videos, don't be afraid of mistakes. Many people hold themselves back in language learning and even in life because they fear being judged, embarrassed, or laughed at. But mistakes are not something to fear. They are proof that you are learning. So, believe in yourself and stop worrying about what others think. Learning a new language is already something to be proud of. It's not your first language, yet you are speaking, practicing, and growing. So instead of hiding from mistakes, see them as a sign of progress. The last thing I can say is this. If you understand English, you have already done the hardest part. Now it's just about practicing to become better at speaking. And please stop comparing yourself to others. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Your voice matters, and the more you use it, the stronger it becomes. So, if you find my video helpful, please subscribe and join our family where we grow together and improve our English step by step. I'm sending you all the love from my heart. See you next time, inshallah.